Yo. What's good, guys? What's up? What's up? Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. All right. Let me start up the screen share here. Okay. So. Okay. Um. Okay. Let's see. Coming into market open, guys. Not the craziest open just yet. At least we haven't really done much. We're trying to move. It seems like. But we're kind of just stuck, kind of just bouncing from this level at 395. All right. Now coming to market open, we do have quite a few gaps from yesterday that we created and never really closed that we can definitely use towards our advantage. Um, but I'll have to see how the momentum is looking like. All right. Hey, bro. Hey, thank you, bro. CDXB. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Anyways, okay, so let me close the chat for a second, guys, because I'm like kind of all over the place this morning. I'm just trying to lock in here. Okay, so coming to market open, all right? We don't have a bias just yet because we haven't really taken out anything yet until now. Until now, of course. We just took on 395 literally a second ago. I want to see what type of reaction we get from this level. Now, the problem is that if we want to look towards shorts, if we hold below 395, we can definitely trade into 291. Before I say anything, let me double check ES and make sure. Oh my goodness, but I never have my ES levels set up, bro. Hold on, guys. Give me 1 second. Let me just kind of fix this up because I want to make sure. Let me make sure that ES is also following along with NQ to make sure that we're not getting any little funny business, you know. So I'm just making sure that let me do this and this and this. I don't think we have any nearby gaps to use. I mean, I'm pretty sure I already have them marked out. Let me mark out this as well. I'm not really going to use that level either way. At least not today. Let's see. Wait, you guys can hear me good, right? I'm seeing some people are saying no sound. Yes? Okay. I'm just making sure. Okay. Oh, whoa. We're setting off a lot on Q. Oh, shoot. Okay, let me kind of like lock in a little bit here. I don't know. I don't really think I want to use this first gap here because if we inverse this, we're going to be in another gap right over here, 10 points below. I'm probably just going to wait a little bit lower and wait for the next inverse, which we're going to get in 0.3 seconds apparently. And just work with that. I really don't have to work with, I don't, hold on guys. I'm going to shut up for a second. Let me lock in real quick. Hold up. One sec, guys. Okay. Okay. One sec, guys. One sec. Let me start my stream on YouTube real quick. What's up, YouTube, guys? My bad. I'm super locked in. One sec, guys. One sec. Okay. Double check. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Anyways. But yeah. So for those wondering, hey, David, why didn't you enter shorts off this inverse? Remember, guys, we have one right below it. It's about 40 points exactly, actually. Which is quite ideal. So I'm gonna look to avoid taking this trade right over here from the DOL being held down for a continuation into lower. And I'm just gonna wait for the inverse off of this one instead. Now the price target probably won't be, it's pretty ideal. It's pretty nice. We can work with it. But yeah, I just don't want to use this one because obviously you guys saw the little mini bounce that we got there. That bounce could have been pretty dangerous and stopped us out, right? So in order to avoid a little bit of risk in the market, we just wait for both inverses to get taken out so we don't have to worry about anything. And then we go from there. All right, guys. But yeah, for now we're looking at shorts. Obviously no entry just yet, but we are forming some confirmations. We are forming a bias. We are forming some setups. And we do have some movement and aggression to the downside that we can definitely use towards our advantage into 291, 264, and so on as the levels show below. All right. This is what the market is telling us here. Now, ES, on the other hand, did take out an internal here. So we do have to pay attention to ES as well to see how it holds. And depending as to how it holds, we can get a nice read in terms of an S&P divergence here. Or in terms of just like an S&P. because yeah, this 15-minute gap here is holding up quite well on NQ. So yeah, that this could have been a pretty nasty trade if we would have ended up taking it from here, or a pretty risky trade, I would say. All right. But yeah, we'll see how this selling holds. We'll see how we want to react on both NQ and ES based off 395 on NQ and 857 on ES. ES seems, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, a little stronger to the downside, which is a really good sign because if ES wants to dump, then it will probably lead NQ into the inverse that we want to see. But yeah, if you guys look at ES here, it's not really wicking. It's kind of holding below, or it's trying to hold below the level of liquidity that I just took out as a full selling candle, while NQ is kind of just there trying to get bought up from the fair value gap. All right. But yeah. But yeah. Now I don't really think we have any news today, right? I want to say we don't. I don't think we do. I think we just had 8:30 news. But tomorrow we do have CPI, so that's gonna be a different story. Yeah, to make sure that. Ouch. Okay, let me see. Okay, so the next candle opened up. It looks like it's a red candle. So hover over the sell button, guys. Be ready, be ready, be ready, be ready. All right, guys, I'm in short. Oh my God, it filmed me super late. Wait, actually. Oh, wow. I would have gotten a later fill. All right, guys, yeah, I'm in shorts. I'm in shorts. Well, I forgot to mention, I'm going to take this with a little bit of a lighter size. I'm going to keep doing 7 contracts this week. So yeah, I'm doing 7 on this one. Now, the volume on this trade looks a little bit crazy. So, obviously prepare yourself for quite a trade. All right, guys. Right, let's see how this one goes. Remember, our price target is going to be 291 for the nearest one. Obviously, it won't be the most ideal 1-to-1, but it'll be close, right? It'll be enough for us to take it. All right. And then I'll have my stop sitting, I want to say somewhere around 360. I might have to work with the re-entry. Yeah, the volume is a little crazy. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna set my stop loss at 360. So I'm gonna buy 7 at 360. All right, guys. If I have to work with the re-entry, I will. But yeah, no, this volume is crazy, bro. But yeah, everything is still holding bearish, which is a good sign. So if we have to work with the re-entry, we will. But yeah, dude, this volume is crazy, bro. I'm hoping we just sell off straight away with this type of volume. You know what I mean? But yeah, guys, once again, my stop loss is placed at 360. All right. We hit 354, so either way, you wouldn't have gotten stopped out if you had a 358 or 360 stop loss. But yeah. Wow, that pullback was kind of scary. I'm not going to lie. Thankfully, we were able to push back down. All right, guys. Thankfully, we were able to push back down. But yeah, let's see how this trade ends up holding. We all know that the volume is good, so if we can get the right movement into this trade, we can definitely get a really big trade on our hands. So yeah. Let's see how we can do with this. Now, really good sign. ES is holding fully bearish here. It is looking to aim for lower. It's holding below 857, and it's pushing down as well. And we're about to see the price target here on NQ. So let me get that ready, just in case we do end up seeing it. Hold on, guys. I'm kind of typing up a little bit here. Okay, there we go. Anyways, but yeah, well, like I was saying, guys, this volume is very crazy today. Like very, very crazy volume. Hopefully, we're able to see the price targets before we get any pullback. If the market wants to pull back or whatever. I'm not too sure as to why it's super volatile, but I'm really hoping we could see lower on this trade, at least into 291. That's all I want to see. All right, if we want to see lower, then yeah. But with the way that that price is moving, if we get the right trade in the right, if we get this trade to go in the right move that we want to see, we can most likely get a very big trade on our hands. You guys are seeing how the volume is looking like and everything. Now, there might be a little bit of an issue here. All right, because you guys saw the pullback that we had, right? If we end up getting another pullback, we can definitely work with another trade, which will be off this 5-minute retracement here if we want to work with a re-entry. That's if, obviously just so you guys are prepared just in case, because as this volume is crazy. I'm really hoping we can see 291 so we don't have to worry about a retracement or anything, because from there we can just move to break even. Now, one thing I will say is that if we see 291, I'm probably not going to take full, most profits. I'm probably just going to take 4 out of my 7, and then just hold the rest for a little bit lower so I can get that full 1-to-1 risk reward type of movement. All right, guys. So yeah, just keep that in mind. But yeah, let's see ES. It seems like it's still holding the selling. NQ is not as interested in down, although we do have a lot of volume to the downside. ES just seems way stronger here. Thankfully, we do have room for lower, so we don't have to worry about any random retracement unless we get one. But technically, we should be able to see lower at least into 842 on ES as well. And thankfully, like I said, it does seem like it does want lower. So it's just a matter of just waiting and seeing whatever price wants to do. The only thing is that, like I said, if price wants to retrace, it might have to retrace into this 5-minute bullish gap above. That's the only problem. And if it does that, then obviously we'll just work with a re-entry. But it's not something I really want to play with. So I'm hoping we can kind of flip this from green to red. Like I said, the volume is a little bit crazy. So if we can get a red to green, a green to red flip, it'll be the best sign. It will just show that sellers aren't still in control. And we just got it here. Now, the thing is can we just see 291, bro? Let's see. Once you see, like I said, guys, once you see 291, I'm gonna go ahead and take 4 out of 7 from scales, and then just hold 3 for lower. Take 1 more at around the 35-point mark, and then just hold the runners for the price targets. I'm really hoping we can see 291. We're about to break the lows here. Let's see. Come on, it's right there, bro. All right, guys, hover over the buy button, guys. Be ready, be ready. And be careful because we're getting a little bit of slippage in the market. The price is moving so fast that we are getting slippage. All right, there we go, guys. Oh my god, oh my. Guys, I just killed. I'm scaling. Guys, I scaled. Dude, that, oh my god. I'm scaling another one. Oh my. There's the move. There's the move you want to see. Guys, PT1 and 2 just got hit, guys. PT1 and 2 just got hit. There is the move, baby. It took some time, but we did it. Oof, I was getting a little bit nervous with those pullbacks, bro. I'm sure you guys were too, bro. We might have to use the bathroom after this trade, bro. Bro, I'm gonna take full here, bro. I'm happy with this, bro. Wow, what a trade, guys. Let's go, man. Oh, this ran for 80 points. Well, depending on your entry, of course. Hold on, guys. Let me just retype this alert. 1 sec. Okay. Pizza 1 and 2 hit for 80 points. Bro, guys, what a trade. How are you guys doing in the chat? By the way, guys, my bad for not talking today. I'm so locked in, bro. Let me see. I scaled. Guys, let me know how you guys are doing, bro. What a trade, bro. Let me know how you guys are doing, guys. Let me know. Guys, if you guys are green, guys, you already know. Post your profits over in the profit channel, guys. Fuck Top Step. What happened with Top Step now, bro? Did it go down again? I can't close on Top Step. Oh my goodness, bro. Dude, guys, bro, that I stop using Top Step, bro. It's a problem every single day, bro. Every single day, it's a problem, bro. Guys, that ass go to Apex, bro. And bro, I know that the 90% off Apex discount ended yesterday, but guys, they're doing another 80% off discount right now until the 23rd. Guys, just use Apex, bro. Just use Apex. Dude, that ass close Top Step and go to Apex, guys. They're doing an 80% off sale right now. Just move to Apex, guys. I can't close. Yeah, Top Step went down again, bro. And again. Bro, it's nothing new, bro. Let's see what their excuse is this time, guys. That bro, like, I don't know what to say, bro. For my Top Step users in here, obviously, I can't be, like, I'm sorry for you guys. But, dude, it's like dude, go to Apex, bro. can't close. Bro, let's just hope that the trade goes lower and they fix it right now. But yeah, guys, go to Apex, bro. Go to Apex. These issues, they happen every other week, bro. Every other week is a new issue. But yeah, by the way, guys, like I said, Apex is 80% off right now until the 23rd. Yesterday it was 90% off, but they ended that special sale. So now they're doing 80% off with the $65 PA fees. So if you guys do want to stack it up, it's called Blastoise. All right, guys. But yeah, guys, if you guys are green, guys, go post your profits over in the profit channel. I'm super green, and I even sized light on this trade. And I ended up making about 546 on the day. Very, very nice profits, guys. Now, obviously, this trade was a little bit scary with that pullback that we got at the entry, but yeah. Once again, if you guys are green, guys, go post your profits over here in the profit channel, so I can give you guys a nice shout out in the announcements. All right, guys. All right. Oh, by the way, wait, guys. Yeah, I'll check it out. Guys, what's it called? If you guys can do me a huge favor, because I was checking out my WAP and everything. I sent it yesterday, but if you guys in here, because the thing is, I never really asked for this, but a lot of people have been telling me, like a lot of people close to me have been telling me, dude, try to have it. It's like a lot. It's really good for like I don't know, like for people to see. If you guys can do it, if you guys want, like it's really all optional. If you guys can write me a review on my WAP, I'd appreciate it. All right. Once again, you could be as honest as possible. I use this for feedback. Like if you guys are enjoying something or you want me to change something, just send it on there, because this is where I read everything, like the most of the feedback. All right. So if you guys could do me a huge favor and hey yo, come on now, bro. Anyways, but yeah, if you guys can, bro, if you guys can write me a review or whatever, it could be like as honest as possible. I'm not, I'm not asking for anything. Just be as honest. And I would greatly appreciate it, guys. But yeah, if you guys can, all you have to do is click on this link, and if you guys are signed in and you guys are already in the premium, it could just say write a review. All right, guys. Once again, I'll greatly appreciate it, guys. All right, bro. All right, bro. Anyways, is there an update for the indicator? Not yet. Not yet. We're working on it. We should be able to post it sometime this week. I'm still in the talks with Hanif. But yeah, is Top Step still down? Yes, dude. Guys, I'm telling you guys, dude. Most of us in here use Apex. We're telling you, use Apex, bro. Look, Top Step is an amazing firm. I've used them before. They're amazing. But this broker, or this platform, I don't know what you want to call it. It's too buggy, bro. And the fact that they removed Tradeovate and all other brokers that you can use, so you're forced to use this really buggy website. It's a scam, bro. It's dead ass a hidden scam. So guys, literally you just use Apex, bro. It's the same thing, bro. It's really the same thing. But yeah, I have a PA in Top Step. Well, bro, I mean, I'm not saying you're forced to switch to it, but dude, you're like, they keep having these issues, bro. It's the same thing over and over and over every single day. Are we waiting for longs? Nah, bro, we're already finished, bro. We caught shorts. The inverse? I mean, yeah, you can probably look for longs off this. But I'm not gonna. I'm already done. I made my money. Trying to pass an account, bro. You're good, bro. I just got in and lost it, bro. Why would you get in right now, bro? What? David, you're there. Hey, bro. Thank you, Sleazy, bro. Thank you once again, guys. If you guys can, like if you guys have some time or some energy or whatever, if you guys can write me a review, I never asked for it, but if you guys can, I'll greatly appreciate it, guys. All right. Can you commentate on another trade? I'll stay on, whatever. I don't mind. But yeah. Let me see. You walk in a pile of dog shit once, not a big deal. You walk in that same pile of dog shit the way back. Bro, is that about Top Step, bro? David, can I get an email for writing a review? Bro, if I had that many, then yeah. But yeah, how are you guys doing on the day? I'm seeing a lot of you guys are posting your profits. This trade was a little bit scary. Hopefully you guys didn't use your own stop loss and follow along with the stop loss that we had. So you didn't get stopped out on the trade. But yeah, a lot of you guys seem to be very green on this trade. So I'm really happy with it. Really happy with the results that we have here. Bro, look at this network error, bro. Look, Apex. You see what I mean? Look, compare these, bro. Like, come on now, guys. And I'm telling you this, bro, because I want you guys to be making money in here, and I want you guys to be requesting these payouts as often as possible, so you guys can make it in trading. And if TopStep is constantly holding you back, bro, it gets me mad because obviously I the whole reason I'm on live is so you guys can catch these trades with me and we all make money together. If you see me and other people making money, obviously I don't want you guys to be feeling left out because TopStep is can't be stable. You get what I'm saying? So it gets me mad and a little bit frustrated because it's annoying, bro. Like every other day, this thing is going down because they don't know how to code their own website, bro. Like, bro, for those that don't know, guys, the reason why TopStep X went down yesterday, hear me out here. The reason why, I don't even know how you mess this up in the code, but guys, hear me out, right? Guys, the reason why TopStep went down yesterday, alongside Tradify and every other prop firm that's using Project X, is because, guys, apparently there was something in the code where if you go on TradingView, the data was ahead on TradingView and it was delayed on TopStep X. So what you would do is you will go on TradingView and you'd be like, oh, the market is going up, but on TopStep X, it hasn't gone up yet. So you buy your order and it goes up shortly after. So you're pretty much like, you get what I'm saying? Like the data was delayed, but you can still trade that delayed data. Like, dude, how do you mess up that bad, bro? Dude, bro, Hanif, bro, you gotta apply to the TopStep, bro, and fix it, bro. You're the only person that can help us, bro. Because, dude, this thing is crazy, bro. Like, how do you mess that up in the code, bro? So, yeah, once again, guys, for those that don't know why it went down yesterday and they reversed all the orders, it's because the data was delayed on TopStep, but it wasn't delayed on any other, like, TradingView or Tradevate or anything, right? So, if the market is going down on TradingView, but it hasn't gone down on TopStep X, you could take shorts on TopStep X and wait for the move to happen because it was delayed, and you will make guaranteed money, right? And people were just doing that yesterday all day. And they're like, oh, but we have to shut down the servers. Like, bro, like, that doesn't even make sense. Well, obviously, you know, it makes sense to shut down the servers because, you know, you're gonna go broke from everyone making guaranteed profits. But still, you get the point, right? Like, this is not stuff that should be happening in the first place from you being a regulated broker. You get what I'm saying? Like, come on now, man. They're doing that shit on purpose, dude. I really do feel like it, bro. Because remember, even if you're winning trades or losing them, sure, if you might have lost a trade, that's good on you, right? Because they're gonna reverse it now that it's down again. But if you got a winning trade, they're not gonna pay you because they're gonna reverse that trade, or that trade you can't sell it, so you're gonna get stopped out. So they're literally, it feels like they're doing it on purpose, bro. Because how does it go down yesterday? You're like, oh guys, it's all good, and it goes down again. Like, bro, come on now, bro. That makes no sense. You know? David, thank you. Made $300 on QQQs. At the same time, made money on my funded account. Nice, bro. Very nice, man. Very, very nice. Let me see. I have a smaller account and had a late entry. I was stopped out. If I lost 30%, I can't trade again, right? I don't think you can. I could be wrong, but I don't think you can. But how much of a late entry did you get? Because we're sitting around our entry for like a good 2 minutes or maybe more. Let me see, bro. I hate Top Step. I would have made so much money yesterday and today. I'm telling you, bro. That's bro. And you guys might be thinking, yo, David, like, why are you getting so like frustrated about you don't even use Top Step? It's more for you guys. Like I said, the only reason I go live, guys, is so I can help you guys make money with me, and we all make money together and request these payouts. But if you see most of us requesting payouts on Apex and you can't on Top Step, that ruins the whole purpose, bro. And if you guys are choosing to still trade with Top Step after all these constant issues, bro, I don't know what to say, bro. Anyways, but yeah. Now a lot of you guys are mentioning longs here. It does look really good, yes. I'm gonna delete this since we're not really in the trade anymore. But yeah, honestly, I'm gonna stay on for a little bit longer, kind of just talk to you guys and chill with you guys for a little bit. I'm done trading for the day. I already made my money, but I do want to see how the market reacts to this gap here. Not only are we getting a very bullish reaction in the market with a very nice pump up, but oh, bro, thank you for the review, bro. Once again, guys, for anyone that sent the review, guys, thank you so much. It really means the world to me. It allows me to just have like more credibility behind the work and everything. You know what I mean, guys? So once again, if you guys sent it, guys, thank you so much, man. It really means the world to me. All right. And once again, reviews is not something I really ever asked for. But I was told, you know, like, hey, it's a really good look if you get reviews and everything. You know what I mean? Because like, for example, if you guys ever go on Amazon and you see someone buying something for like with like 14 reviews, you're not really gonna trust it. versus something that has maybe 100, 500, 1,000 reviews. It's gonna be like, okay, a lot more people buy it. A lot more people have a lot more experience with it. You know what I mean? Where do you do the reviews? Here, you can do it here. All right, guys. Just click on the link and it'll say write a review. All right, guys. So if you guys can, thank you so much, man. It really means the world to me. All right. Anyways, all right. No more on that. It's not a big deal. All right, guys. Anyways, okay. So let's see what we got here. All right. So once again, we're getting a very, very bullish reaction in the market. We're getting a huge buying candle, which shows a lot of buyer interest. We have 87 points currently. Before the candle even closes. We have a DOL sweep from 2264. I don't know if I said 20. 25264. Right. So with that DOL sweep, what we can do is if we get a very bullish reaction, we only have one gap to inverse above. There's only one thing really holding us from going any higher into 493 and potentially even 516, right? Or even this bearish rally gap on the 15-minute time frame up here. And that gap would be the 5-minute gap here, which is about 76 points. So if we can get enough buying pressure with enough interest in the next candle with enough momentum, we can definitely look to inverse this rally gap and look to take longs into, I would say this will be a price target because it's like a little mini pullback before we went lower. And then, so you would have 450, 493, 516, and then 559, which these two price targets would be kind of not the most ideal, but these two would be more like a lot better, right? Because they're not in the gap itself. All right. And like this, yeah. And the indicator is also finding the same exact trade, guys, which is a really good sign too. All right. So if you guys are using the indicator, whatever, you guys are seeing the same exact trade. I'll go ahead and mark it up for you guys. Check it out. Boom, right there, right? So yeah, the indicator is also finding literally the same trade that we're looking at. All right. So for those that ended up mentioning the 5-minute gap, you guys are learning a lot, bro, because it looks like, you know, you guys are finding the right setups, which is a really good sign. I can't believe the only reason I'm not green is because dude. I'm not gonna keep mentioning, bro, because I know you guys are gonna get sick and tired of it, but you guys already know the deal, bro. This has been happening every other week, bro. It happens. Bro, I passed this account literally 5 minutes ago and Luce already activated it. Bro. That's crazy, bro. But yeah, once again, guys, for those that weren't paying attention, guys, once again, Apex is 80% off again until the 23rd. So if you guys do want to stack up on some more accounts, remember tomorrow is CPI. By the way, let me ask you guys something. Do you guys want to do you guys want to trade CPI tomorrow or no? I don't even know why I'm asking this. Everyone's gonna say yes, bro. I'm not dumb, bro. No one's gonna say no, bro. So I don't even know why I'm asking. Yes, I'm gonna be on tomorrow, guys. Now tomorrow I might do commentary. I'm really green on this week, like really, really green. And your boy has to buy some Christmas presents, bro. Bro, my pockets got ran yesterday, bro, but I'm still not done. So I'm gonna use this week's profit. I'm gonna go ahead and request a payout very soon and use this week's profit into doing that. Done. Hey, Andrew, thank you so much for the review, bro. Thank you so much, bro. I mean, it really means the world to me, bro. Once again, guys. David, I'm trading 3 eval accounts. And I have to use multiples of 3. Yeah. That's pretty normal. I'll give you my settings once I'm done. Because there's a way to multiply it. Is the top servers down? Yes. At least still, yeah, I believe so. How risky is trading CPI? As risky as it could be. It's literally as risky as it could be. Now, trading the day of CPI, it's still going to be risky. There's just going to be a lot more volume. Hey, bro, Fallen, thank you so much, bro. Thank you so much, man. It really means the world to me, bro. Seriously. And that goes for everyone in here, man. David, how many points did you stop today? Let me see. I put my stop loss at 360. Let me see. One sec, guys. Okay. I put my stop at 360 today. And I entered at 318. I think I had like a 40-point stop loss or something. 45 points. Around there. Yeah, 45 points probably. Like 45 points. But remember, I did size light today. It's just because I got a little bit of late entry. Kind of. I got a little bit of slippage though. At the end of the year, do we pay tax on the money that we pull out of Apex? Yes. Only the money that you requested though. If you made money and the money is still in the account, you don't pay tax on it. Only if you request that payout. Because remember, you're trading a prop account, right? So that's kind of like a benefit. I just joined recently. Is there a lot of losing days on the live, or what's the win rate? You can find everything here, bro. You can find all of every single trade that we've ever taken. You can find them everything here. All right, bro. But yeah, that's the taxes, bro. But yeah, Mr. Pay, bro, thank you. Anyways, I was talking about something. What was I talking about? Oh yeah, CPI. Yeah, guys, CPI is one of the most riskiest things that you could trade. Um, like I said, tomorrow I might do commentary and just take it easy on Friday. I don't know yet. I'll see how the market moves tomorrow. Maybe I get a trade with a few contracts. But I know me alongside a lot of you guys are very green on the week. So don't overdo it tomorrow. Don't overdo it on Friday. You know what I mean? We're making our money. You know what I mean? But yeah, is Friday OPEX? Good question. Oh yeah, I think it is actually. Let me double check. It should be. Oh, my phone's at 1%. Let me use my. One second, guys. Is Friday OPEX? Let me check for you. It is. Oof. Okay, so I'm not gonna be trading Friday. Yeah, no, I'm not doing that. I don't even trade Fridays in the first place, especially OPEX Fridays. I'll probably just avoid that one. So I'll be on tomorrow. I don't know if I'll be on Friday, bro. I'll probably just get on just to chill and just maybe do some education or some commentary. But I definitely won't trade Friday for myself at least. But maybe tomorrow I will trade maybe a few contracts less, like 3 to 5. But yeah. Do you trade next week also? Okay, so next week I will be on next week, yes, but I'll probably be trading like little contracts. Because remember, guys, next week is Christmas week. The markets get very, 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 very slow because obviously it's a holiday. Most of the week is a holiday, so most of the week the markets will be closed. All right, guys. So I'm gonna try to trade it, but no promises. All right, guys. Look, like I'll be on, but I won't promise like a trade. Like I have to see how the market moves. But we'll see. But yeah, tomorrow I'll be on for sure. Friday, I don't know yet just yet because it is OPEC. And you guys know I don't really typically trade OPEX too often. Are the markets closed for Christmas? Yes. They're closed for Christmas Eve. They're closed for Christmas. And I think they're closed for the next day. I don't know. But if they're not, you shouldn't even be trading in the first place. Do not trade anywhere near a holiday. Let me see. I'm new here and this was my first trade. Super scary. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for that. Obviously, I can't control the markets. They don't typically move this scary. So yeah, not the luckiest first trade, but at least it was a winning trade. You know what I mean? But yeah, no. Really good trade nonetheless. You know what I mean? But yeah, very, very scary trade today. That pullback was very scary. But it doesn't typically go like this all the time, so don't worry. The market's just gonna have its day sometimes, though. Bro, Andrew. Left the fight. But hey, bro, Brian, thank you, bro. That pullback stopped me out, bro. I told you guys have a stop loss around 358, and I did 360 of a stop loss. David, what can we leave a review? Let me hold on. Let me get the link right quick. Here you go, bro. You can leave it there. Thank you, bro. Once again. Let me see. David, do you think this payout is even gonna go through with the way TopStep is right now? Hold on, bro. Hold on, bro. Hold that thought. My cat keeps meowing. Where is she? One second. All right, I'm back. Okay, so Chris was asking, David, do you think? Okay, so for those that don't know, Chris has been trying to like he's been telling me or telling us that he requested a payout from TopStep like 2 or 3 weeks ago, and he hasn't gotten it yet. Has anyone been having issues with TopStep on payouts? Because dude, at that point, I mean, have you tried content? Try asking in their Discord, bro. Jan, we're leaving, bro. We're leaving. Yeah, TopStep. Okay, TopStep doesn't usually take that long though. But yeah, Chris, have you asked in the Discord? Try asking there, and they'll probably do it for you. Are you gonna be trading next week due to Christmas? Not as much. Not as much. Plus, I have my family coming over, so I do want to spend some time with them as I haven't seen them in a long time. And since the markets probably won't really be good, and obviously we're gonna have closed markets for like 2 or 3 days of the week next week, it's probably best to just take it a little bit easier. You know what I mean? Trade Monday or no? Monday probably, Tuesday maybe, Wednesday and Thursday I know it's closed, and then Friday I'm avoiding. Yeah, it's just because it's one of the biggest holiday weeks of the year. All right, guys. Plus, we have New Year's, we have Christmas, and all that stuff. So the markets get very, very, very bad. I'm out. Hey, bro, take it easy, Brian, bro. Take it easy, bro. Take it easy. We are your family. All right, bro. I mean, bro, you're right, bro. You're right. I mean, I spend my mornings with you guys every single day, bro. So let me see. It's my first day on Apex. Am I allowed to trade 10 contracts on a 50K account? Yeah, why not? Yeah, yeah, why not? Why not? Why not? And then, do you have any? Yeah, I do have. I have videos on how to set it up and everything, bro. Here, let me find it for you, bro. One sec. One sec, bro. One sec. One sec. One sec. Here you go. This will give you all of my settings, all of my layouts, all of my websites, everything. There you go. Okay, so guys, apparently Top Step is back, and if you guys were in shorts, you're still in profits. Not as much, but you're still in profits. Someone said it let me in. Top Step works. Let me know, guys. Let me know if Top Step is working again. That's BS still. Yeah, no, obviously, but it works. All right. No, hey, yo, don't get mad at me, bro. Don't get mad at me. Get mad at Top Step, bro. I didn't do that, bro. Bro said what profits? Not me, bro. Not me. Not me. Don't get mad at me, bro. I'm just the what's it called? I'm the the messenger, bro. I'm the middleman. Exactly. I'm the middleman, bro. I'm not the guy doing this, bro. Back in, but didn't get profits. I'm sorry for that. Once again, I mean, well, I didn't do it, but you know what I mean. Like I feel sorry, you know. But yeah, the market is starting to chop up a little bit here, so I don't know if it's gonna get any better, any worse. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Let me see. David, explain the Apex drawdown rule. Okay, so it trails, right? But not forever. It trails until you hit $52,600 in profit. Once you do that, it'll freeze at 50,100. That's all you need to know. That's really all you need to know. All right. So once again, your drawdown trails as you trade until you hit $52,600 on the account. Once you hit that number, your drawdown freezes forever at $50,100. So as long as you never go below that number, it will never blow up. Your account will never blow. No matter if you have $100,000 in profit, $60,000 profit, the drawdown will just grow. What's your opinion on the 24-hour trading stuff? Okay, so I got a little bit more research on it. Apparently, apparently, not guaranteed, but apparently, it won't make too much of a difference in the market because the reason a lot of banks and hedge funds and institutions and all these things, the reason why they trade at 9:30 is because the overnight market apparently has a lot of slippage due to the lack of orders. So just because it's going to be 24 hours, it probably won't make a difference because the people that move the markets are the big money, right? The banks and all that stuff. So if they're still going to be trading at 9:30 and around that New York time, um, it will probably just remain the same. Obviously, the volume won't be exactly the same, but it won't be too different, apparently. All right. I've been doing my research. I've been reading around Twitter and everything from what, the smart people have to say, the people that are actually like informed on this. And they're saying that it shouldn't make a big deal just due to overnight slippage and everything, just lack of orders. It won't fill everything and it'll just be a pain in the ass. So banks shouldn't be trading around that time until 9:30 when everyone is up and trading. All right. But remember, it's kind of just like an alleged thing. Like it's not guaranteed, but it's also not false, right? We don't know until it happens. And keep in mind, guys, the SEC still has to approve of 24-hour trading. So we'll see how that even goes in the first place. I'm hoping they deny it, but we'll see. We'll see. Topps didn't even give me enough for a bag of chips. I mean, dude, I don't know where you live, bro, but $4 is pretty good for like at least 2 bags, bro. David, how much of a buffer should I build? At least $2,000 after you request a payout. So after every payout, leave yourself at least $2,000 to work with. At least 2,000. The more the better, but at least 2,000. I'm up 900 on Top Step. I can't be mad. That too. David, my trade sinker tripled my orders on Apex, so I made too much money. Can I lose on purpose? No, don't do that. Because it's gonna mess up your drawdown. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Just keep it. Just keep it. Just average out your days. One bag of chips worth $2 or $3. $3 is crazy, bro. Even $2 for a little bag of chips filled with mostly air is crazy. Hey, yo, this dude, bro. Shout out, bro. Yo, bro. Okay, David, what's the best way to get out of the trading drawdown on PAs? Size low and just slowly build it up, bro. Size low and just slowly build it up. You know what? Guys, okay, who needs? Okay, I don't typically ever do this, but after the stream, I'm gonna get the file right here. Guys, after the stream, I'm gonna send you guys a link from only one. I'm not gonna share too much. Only one of my mentorship videos, for my mentorship class, on how to do it right with the sizing. All right, guys, with how to get out of the trading drawdown, how to get out of drawdown, how to do everything. I'll send it to you guys. I'm only gonna send one video though. All right, I'll ping you guys in the chat. I'll add the premium. I'll say, hey, whoever needs help with this, here's the video. Just one. All right, guys. I'll send it after this. I have to find the video because I don't know exactly which one it is, but it should be one of the more recent ones, like from yesterday or the day before. Thanks. I got you guys. I'll send it over here. Look, I'm gonna send it over in this class channel right here, the class recordings. I'll send it here. I'll ping you guys. Don't worry, you won't miss it. I'll let you guys know. All right, but yeah, it will be in this channel right here. Do we get one-on-one calls with the membership? Yes. 0 to payout challenge right now, bro. That's kind of out of my interest, bro. I'm not really trying to you know, it's too much work for no reason. It's the same thing. Like I catch the same trades. I'm just not gonna be trading with my accounts. You know what I mean? David, what happens if you build your buffer breaking the 30% rule? Nothing. Just average it out. If you break the 30% rule, just trade a little bit more and average it out, and then you should be good. Now, fuck that, David. Keep doing what you're doing. I've been eating, following. I'm telling you, bro. The 0 to payout challenge is the same shit, bro. It's just more work. Do you guys know what it's telling me to? Yeah. New, just message me, bro, and I got you, bro. I'll explain to you, bro. But yeah. Anyways, it seems like a lot of you guys are getting off. The market's not really moving too much. Yo, bro. I remember when I had my kitten, bro. This dude grew up to be a fat ass cat, bro. So he can't really lay down on my computer anymore because he's gonna break it. But back then, bro, he used to be like that too. What's the most money you can make in a day with Apex? Here, let me send it real quick. 1 sec. Right here, try to aim around this. You can make more, but if you don't want to break any rules or get your payout denied, use it with like this. Dude, after I reach my 2K on my buffer, I requested a 1K payout, so I'll be working with a 1K buffer. Just size less. You'll be fine. Just size less. Obviously, it'll take a little bit longer to gain those profits back into that payout number, but you should be good. But yeah, at least 1.5 to 2K. I would say 2K because the more the better, but you know, if you can work with 1.5K, then you should be good. Blast for the PA account to get a payout, you say slowly grind until you get a payout. What's the minimum profit I should be happy with? Anything, bro. Anything you can make in the markets, it's one step closer to a payout, bro. Anything. You guys will see me, even with $100 days that I have, you know, every now and then, I'm happy with those profits. I'll take anything. Does it go for evals and funded? Just funded, just PA accounts. Evals have no rules. With evals, you can full port them. You can do whatever you want with them, bro. Oh yeah, and it does apply to your day losses. Yes. Is your buffer 30K? I wish, bro. No, it's around there, but not 30K. How risky is trading days of CPI? Really risky. Or no, trading CPI itself is risky. Trading the day of CPI, it's a little bit riskier because there's a lot more volume. But you can get really good trades if you can catch the right move in the market. You need at least 1K to get a payout on Top Step. No, but you can only request 50% of what you made in those 5 days. So if you made $1,000, you can only request 500. If you made $500, you can only request 250. All right. With risk reward management, no. With that, you can find the video here. Let me find it for you. 1 sec. If you want to learn about risk management, you can go here. Or actually, no, because these videos are a little bit like they're not outdated. They're just a little old. I mean, they're from like last year, right? So obviously things change. So I'm gonna send you guys new videos and everything on the risk management. All right. Yeah, I'll send to you. Don't worry. I'll send it over to you guys. How to proper trade Apex PAs. I got you guys, bro. You guys are asking for a lot of videos, bro. You guys know I don't like making videos that much, bro. Anyways, David, can you share your TradeVate settings? Yep, I have a video on it, bro. But once again, my editor scanned me, so I have to find a new one. I'm gonna go on Fiverr today and try to find someone, someone new, because I do have some videos that I do need posted, like the indicator video and so much more. But yeah, other than that, guys, once again, are you guys down to get off? I do have to go shopping again for the Christmas presents. And I don't really want to get caught up in too much traffic. But yeah, I know editors from Colombia, bro. Let me know, bro. Send me any. Fiverr, bro, just hires nothing but Indians. I mean, dude, it's cheap. It's good work. I mean, bro, it's a win-win for all of us, bro. But yeah. Anyways. Yeah, I guess we're pretty much done for the day, I would say. And yeah. Bro, David, no one's responding. Are you typing in the tops of Discord? Dude, yo, how risky is trading? Yo, you've asked this question like 4 times, bro. I've answered it like 4 times already, bro. Bro keeps asking how risky is trading the day of CPI. but yeah. Other than that, guys, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get off. And yeah, I guess we're pretty much on for the day. I'm gonna work on the promoting. Guys, once again, hear me out. If you guys see, I didn't hear. Nah, you're good, bro. You're good. I just said that they're pretty risky. That's all. But guys, if you guys see my announcement that I post, guys, Dolphin Mall gifts. Yeah, yo. Don't leak my location, bro. Anyways, yo, guys, if you guys see my announcement, if you guys can do me a favor and just react to it whenever I post it, it'll be, like, thank you. You know what I mean? But yeah. Other than that, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get off. I'm gonna get to working on the announcements. And yeah, if anything, I'll see you guys either later or tomorrow, same time as always. All right, guys. Peace out, guys, and I'll see you guys then. All right, guys. Peace, guys. Peace. And you guys, hopefully you guys were able to enjoy the stream. Another day in profit, baby. Another big trade that we ended up catching about, 80 points, I think, around there. So we've caught 280 point trades in a row. Wait, I was about to say 120 points. Okay, yeah, 80 points today, 80 points yesterday, and 205 points on Monday. So, guys, we have been crushing it this week, all right, guys? And the week before as well, guys. As you guys can see over here, we caught 75 points, and you get the point, right? Yeah, guys, if you guys are green on the day with me, guys, and you guys want to join the premium to get access to all of these trades live, guys, click the second link in the description. Join the premium there. It will give you access to real-time live trading, real-time alerts, real-time education, and so much more that can help you gain consistency and possibly even master my strategy on how I trade every single day. All right, guys, and if you guys want to use my indicator that marks out all of my levels, all of my entries, like entries, take profits, stop losses, and everything, and you guys want to use it, it does have entries involved, like this, as you guys see, like this, for example, right? It will show you where to enter, where to exit, and so on. If you guys want to get access to this indicator with my full strategy coded onto it, click the first link in the description, and you guys can go ahead and use the indicator. All right, guys, it'll give you guys a checklist. It'll mark out all of your levels of liquidity. It'll mark out the fair value guys for you guys. It'll mark out your entries, stop loss, take profits, and everything else. All right, guys. So if you guys do want to use it, and you guys do want to obviously take advantage of all of this, click the 2 links in the description, and I'll see you guys on the winning side. All right, guys. Other than that, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow, same time as always. We are going to be trading CPI. Let's see how it goes. Hopefully it goes good, but we'll see. All right, guys. Other than that, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out, guys.